Our activity for today is for you to to be my respondents. Now, this is how you will do your surveys in the future. Now, I am demonstrating here what you will do. Isang question lang, ha? Isang question lang. Ano ang gusto nyong issue na kailangan sagutin ng lahat? Ng lahat. Lahat na nandito magre-respond. Ano? Hmm? Mahinang wifi. Very good. Yan na. Ayusin nyo tong Ayusin nyo tong sagot nyo dito. Wala, ba't naka-record na kasi? Ba yan? Ka lang. Ulit ko tong ibang question. Isang question lang. To. Reason why the Wi-Fi is weak? What is the reason? What do you think? What do you think is the reason why? Sorry naman. Hindi naman ako perfectong pitch. What do you think is the reason why USL's Wi-Fi is weak? Yan. So ito, syempre i-check nyo yung response, yung kung naka-restrict siya. Ito kasi USL account eh. So, natin yan. Send ko na, no? I-send ko na yung link niya. Don't worry, this will be sent in our G drive. Tapos copy natin. Copy. Then I will send in your GC and answer this form immediately. I will give you 5 minutes to accomplish it. It is just one question, class. GC na. 959. Nandyan na? Oh, please. Sa na? Per PM mo na lang. Or you may email it to me. Sige na. Titignan ko, i-code natin kung ano ang tingin ng mga estudyante na to sa weak na Wi-Fi natin. Kailan ka pinanganak? When were you born? When were you born? Kailan ka pinanganak? Wala kang phone. Iniwan mo. Ha? Wala akong ko. Yan kasi. Wala ka ng attendance, kuya. Oh, may dalawa nang sumagot. Dalawa nang sumagot. 5 minutes, ha? I will wait until 8:48. Ha? 8:48. Ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23. Ah? No. Hindi nako-code ng software yung Tagalog. Di ba nag-sample na ako sa inyo ng coding analysis nun, no? Nung yung example ko yung parking lot. O dito naman, ang example natin kayo mismo, no? Itong mga students na to, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Ano ang viewpoint ng 24 na students? Ano kaya ang rason bakit mahina ang wifi ng St. Louis? And then ite-thematize natin. Kasi kung ganito class, kung i-code ko to, bawat response ninyo, it would take me about 2 to 3 days to do it. Ito mabilisan. No? Imagine that. Imagine the 3 days na matitipid mo pagka gagamit ka ng software. Na? I have your consent to to record this and to send it to your your Google Drive. Kung hindi, then I will just keep it. I'll just keep it and bahala kayo na mag-review kung paano ginawa to. Okay lang. Meron na real time na nag-update. May 6 pang hindi sumasagot. 5 na lang. 1 minute. Ang hina nyo naman kung mag-chat GPT lang pa kayo dyan. Anong alam ni chat GPT sa nangyayari sa St. Louis? Kayo naman. Isa rin tong si Alaisa. Okay na? Oy, asan yung 4? Asan yung 4? Ay, sige na. Tapos na. O, 2 pa. Sumagot ka na. O, yan. Okay na. So, ito, ang gagawin nyo dito, i-download nyo. Download responses. Siyempre, i-download nyo kung saan nyo ilalagay. 959. CSV file ang niya. Parang Excel lang ang CSV file, ha? So, punta tayo dito, 959. Ayun. Extract. Alam nyo naman na to. Mag-extract ng file. Ang gagamitin nating software is Orange Data Mining. Yan. Ito. Orange Data Mining software. Tapos edit lang natin to, yung laman niya. 959. Edit lang natin tong laman niya. So, kung titignan nyo class, may timestamp yan. Meron yung name, of course. Then your email. Tanggalin lang natin lahat yan, ha? For the sake of this exercise. Ulit natin. Ito yung mga mga sagot ninyo. Let's see what is your view. So we have, tanggalin natin tong question ha. Delete. Every student are using Wi-Fi due to teachings. Oh. Demand. Extreme amount of users, too many users. Huge amount of students using it. Because there's no enough router. Many students are using it. Lot of users, multiple devices are connected. Multiple devices are connected. Ano pa? Insufficient source. There are many connected, too many devices. Many, capacity of internet service provider. Oh, talaga, grabe naman to. Napaka-technical nyo namang, tawag nun? Miss Universe. Yung simple word sana, no? Kayo naman, pinapahirapan nyo ako. Not enough number of Wi-Fi. Oh, talaga, may number pa. 1. 2, not good operation. Talaga. Be, I think the signal of the area from Peling. Oh, yan. So we have concerns here. Kitang-kita nyo naman, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman yung responses, no? Ayan. Okay. Now, what we will do here class is to make it to try to analyze them using the software here, no? Orange Data Mining. So, anong steps? Ito na-edit na natin. Na-trim natin yung mga personal information, even the question, we trimmed them. Now, i-save lang natin. Save. Yes. Yan. Now, Orange Data Mining class is a software that we use in qualitative analysis, specifically content analysis, sentiment analysis, as well as coding and thematic analysis. Now, paano gamitin to? Siyempre, import mo muna yung data, source of data mo. So, we have tataka na akong kung dog yan, ma'am. Ayan. So, i-upload na natin, ha? Nasundan nyo? Nasundan nyo, ha? Baka yes kayo. Nasundan nyo? Ito, pasok kayo sa CSV file import. Tapos, ito, hanapin nyo yung source ng file. Ayan na yung yan yung data natin. Okay. Na-import na yan. Close na natin. Punta tayo sa corpus na tinatawag para ma-read yung text na widget. Dito sa text mining. So, i-join mo lang to. CSV file import with corpus. Yan. Mababasa niyo na to. No? Then, para ma-enjoy nyo naman tignan to, let's go to word cloud. Word cloud. Connect mo lang, join mo lang. Hindi madali lang. Mas madali kasi sa CAD to, ha. Double click mo to. Okay, yan. Meron pang feature to. Meron pa maganda nga na ilagay na figure 1 sa ano na to sa research nyo Meron pa feature to. Alam nyo kung ano? Yan, i-ano nyo pa. Rotate nyo pa. Oh. Yan. So there is this level of intelligence that is happening here. So what is the level of intelligence that is happening here? Meron na siyang nakikitang mga important notes here. Keywords. Yung mga malalaki, yung mga of, the, is, many. But that is not always relevant because those are just sometimes for titles only, for nouns ganun. But we are interested here in the words too, weak, many. Kasi nakita nyo na kaagad nun too many users ganun. Yung of, the, is, are ganun. Yan yung i-try natin tanggalin. No? Try natin tanggalin. Now, how do we do that? First is to prepare a notepad that is including stop words. Ano ba ang stop words? Ito yung mga stop words. I-save nyo sa notepad, ha? Ito. Ay, sorry, Dan. Andito na naman si Dan. And, but, or, dan, kapawatan, the, nor, yet, although, because, since, ganun, though, if, his, yung mga ganyan. No, yan yung i-trim ninyo. Try nyo tanggalin doon sa data. No, para luminis siya. So, balikan natin yung software. Balikan natin to. You go to the command. I-close natin to You go to the command preprocess text. Yan, preprocess text. I-join natin yung corpus sa preprocess text. Tapos, yung preprocess text, pasokin nyo yan, punta kayo sa filtering, dun sa baba. Filtering is stop words. Stop words, hanapin nyo yung stop word na ginawa nyo. So, may dati na akong ginawa, ito yung notepad na pinakita ko kanina. Naintindihan nyo? Ang notepad kasi nagamit niya pang crack. No? So, yun. So, na-enter na natin, na-upload na natin sa software. Now, gawa tayo ng ibang word cloud. Yan. I-join natin siya. Tapos, i-double click natin, i-run niya. Ayan. Malinis tignan. Malinis tignan, right? Unlike the other one, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano ang focus ng software. But in the second part, uy, ba't nag-off yung record? Sorry. Ay, nag-ano pala. Nagre-record pala. Gulat ako dun ito yung, you see the difference. Ito yung hindi na pre-process yung text. Ito yung na-process yung text. See the difference? So yung difference niya, many users, students, weak students po. Talaga may gumamit ng ratio. Grabe naman ng yan. Term nyo. So, yan. That is an example of pre-processed text in a word cloud. Now, how do we process this further? No? Paano natin makita, ma-investigate yung significance ng words? So, ang gawin nyo, you go to topic modeling. Yung mga widget dyan sa left. Topic modeling. Ayan. I-join nyo lang yung topic modeling with the pre-processed text. Tapos i-rank niya yung topics. Kikita nyo? Maliliit. Lapitan nyo kasi hindi lumalaki yan. Yan yung 10 ranks niya. 10 rank ng na-pre-process na text into a topic model. Ito na actually yung coding analysis nyo. This is actually it. The keywords. Ito na. Ano yung likely na connected na words? No, given the CSV. No, doon sa dulo, yung pinaka-original na file. So that is the topic modeling. Topic modeling. Now, how do we process this further? Meron pang process 'yan, no? So i-print screen 'yo 'yan kasi tinatamad ako mag-type, kopyahin 'yan. Print screen 'yan. Punta tayo sa Paint. Sa Paint. Yan, Paint. Control V. Tapos i-crop nyo. Para madali. Crop natin. Crop. Tapos, save natin. Let's save it in the desktop 959 Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi issue. Save. Tapos, close natin. You go to the internet to process the text, no? Para makopya yung text kasi image siya eh. So, let's try. Kopyahin natin yung image kasi yun nga, mahirap mag-type. Matagal mag-type. Bagal lang net. Ay, ala, 9 na. Ay, 9:30 pa tayo. Kala ko, gulat naman ako. May kasalanan tuloy ako sa inyo pag ganun. So, i-upload natin dito. I-upload natin yung text dito galing sa ito, 959 Wi-Fi. Pasok lang natin dyan, convert. Pero hindi na tayo magpagod na mag-type. No? Pang-clutch to, pang-clutch. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yung na-generate niya na text. So, i-edit lang natin dito. Edit lang natin. Hanggang 10 kasi ito eh. O talaga. Chinese New Year. Tapos, ano yan? The Dragon's Cuff. Si ay tagbiag. The Dragon's Cuff. Year of the Dragon. Okay, punta tayo dito. Ito, ilang grupo na to, no? Ilang groups na to. Kayo naman, no? Ang uutusan nyo yung Bard. So, in the following rank, create 3 teams in trying to identify the reason why the Wi-Fi in USL is weak. Yan. Ito yung rank. No? Utusan mo siya. Yan yung prompt na tinatawag. So, antayin mo lang na palabasin niya. Talaga ito. Team 1, Infrastructure Limitations. Team 2, Network Management and Distribution. 3, Plan and Service Provider Issues. So, yan yung 3 themes niya kaagad. Bilis, no? Bilis. Paano kung ganyan yung yung design, yan yung basis ng design solution. 3 design solution lang. Tapos na ang thesis mo. You will just expand it. Ganyan ka-powerful ang AI. No? And I am trying to make a point that you use it. You make it your slave. No? Tusan nyo. But you can do this manually. Again, you can do this manually because we have identified the things that are common. Weak signal, too many users, yun yung pare-pareho, ang dami, no? But in using AI, makikita nyo na kaagad yung tatlong themes niya, yung thematic analysis na ng AI, no? But you can theme this manually again. Pero matagal. It would take you about, kako nga, 3 days, mabilis ka na. Baka 1 month nga yan. No? Imagine that time that you save. No? E paano kung tinatamad ka pa? No? Explain further. Explain further. Or elaborate. Elaborate further. And deeper. Try nga natin kung anong sabihin ng AI. Hindi, kasi ano na alam niya na yung dati niyang ginawa. Outdated technology of physical barriers, limited coverage areas, congestion management, prioritization and quality of service, QoS. Binigyan ka pa ng QoS. Pambirang yan. Network monitoring and optimization, plan analysis, cost versus efficiency, contractual limitations. Additionally, gathering feedback from students and faculty about their specific experience with the Wi-Fi can provide valuable insights into problem areas and usage patterns. Benchmarking. Ito mga recommendations na to actually. Benchmarking, comparing USL's Wi-Fi performance with other universities. Pwede yun. You may benchmark in St. Paul. You may benchmark in CSU. Magkapareho ba? O mas malakas sila? You see that? Those are recommendations. The third is proactive solutions. Beyond identifying weaknesses, exploring like mesh networks. You see that? May mga recommendations on systems, on technologies. Mesh networks, signal boosters, or fiber optic upgrades. Fiber na kaya tayo? Matanong ko lang. Kakakabit lang. Signal booster kaya. No? So those are recommendations. No? Tapos, alam nyo kung nag-aaral kayo ng IT, siguro dito sa baba, yung pinakadulo na pwede nyong gawin. Remember, these are just initial explorations based on the limited information provided. A comprehensive analysis would require in-depth technical evaluation, network monitoring data, and discussions with relevant stakeholders at USL. Ang ganda. Ito pa lang, ang ganda ng information to. Ito pa lang. And the reason why we created this, we came up with these solutions is because of this. Because of the inputs of the students. Dahil lang sa input ng students, nakikita mo na mayroong model ka na susundan. And imagine if this is monitored or this is required of you in the entire university. Paano kung lahat ng student sumagot? At ito rin ang concern. No? And it could provide solutions, actually. That is the essence of research. No? Clear? I hope so. Clear, ha? Clear to Maneng? Okay? Klaro yun, ha? Gusto nyo ba isang example? Sa example pa? Sige, P. Wrong pen. Thanks, mama. Thanks, mom sana. Thanks, mama. mga wrong send. Ay, hindi. Mga, typo. Opoti. Thanks, P. Good night, P. O, gawa tayo ng assessment again. What is the reason why students are absenting? Natin, ano pa ang gusto nyo i-assess? Pwedeng related sa study nyo na. Yun na. 10/10 na lahat to. Yung participation. Kasi sit work din to eh. Pero hindi sayang. Thank you kay Bam na nag-provide ng na data. Anong question? Anong gusto niyong question? Anong gusto niyong question? Wala. Ha? Ano? Very good. Why is the cost of the food in the university canteen is expensive? Too expensive. Yan. Very good. Short answer tayo. Very good. Thank you, John Dale. Yan. Send natin. Send. Shorten URL. Copy. Tapos, Messenger 959, right? Yan. Pakisagot. Tignan nga natin. Dito nyo makikita class na enjoy ang mag-survey. For as long as merong consent sa lahat. No? Ito nga kulang pa ako sa form eh. Dapat meron pang privacy information, ganun. Data Privacy Act information, ganun. Ano ko, James? Hindi kita nalata, James. Kala mo ba? Ne? Mababa. Dapat 99 eh. Hanggang doon lang ako. O, 14 na tayo. Naka-14 na tayo. Oy, 11 minutes na lang. I-process natin yung response nyo. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 25. Ano yan? Daisy, halos lahat naman may participation. Halos lahat? Ang galing naman. Tapos si absent kayo sa akin. Nakakatampo kayo ha. Sabagay, ito naman ang last semester ko. Okay? 8 pa, 8. Anim. Yung anim pa. Wala na tayong time. Sige na bilisan ko mag-analysis dito. Imagine that 30 minutes lang nagawa mo na yung thematic analysis mo. Classical thematic analysis mga 1 month ganun yan. Matagal gawin yan. No? Gawa mo 30 minutes. So that's how fast it is. So dapat sinisimulan ko na sa inyo kasi syempre yun nga, baka hindi ako mag-handle ng thesis nyo, so bahalang so kayo. Gumamit kayo ng AI, huwag kayong matakot gumamit. But again, exercise not only freedom but also caution, no? Dalawa na lang. James kasi. Ayan, okay na. Naset 25 na. Okay, download natin. Canteen Gold 959 Gold Canteen. Asan yung 95? Ayun, Gold Canteen. Extract files. Save na pala natin to. Save. Ano to? Wi-Fi, no? 959. 959. No, 7 minutes na lang. Wait lang. New. CSV file import. Ay, hindi ko pa na-process yung sa loob. Yun, Gold Canteen. Tanggalin lang yung mga information na to. Delete. Close. Save. Tingnan lang. Tapos, ito, upload mo na ang 959 na Gold Canteen. Copy. Okay. Close. Tapos, punta ka sa corpus. Yan, pasok mo. Ay! Pasok mo. Tapos, ano na ulit yun? Punta kayo sa word cloud. No? So, tingnan natin initial. Yan. Because na naman, profit. Ala, grabe. For the profit talaga ang canteen, no? No? Rent, demand, why also. Saan? Grabe naman ng greedy yan. Capitalism. My God. Rent. Which? Wow, rich. So, yan yung example. Close natin. Punta sa pre-process. Pre-process natin yung text. Upload natin yung yung stop word. Close natin. Tapos mag-word cloud ulit tayo. Connect mo yan. Ano yung high rent. Baka high rent. Demand. Dahil maliit yung resource siguro ng canteen, malaki yung demand. So, tinataas din yung Talaga, capitalist nga sila. Close na natin. Greedy nga sila, no? So, punta tayong topic modeling. Sana yung topic modeling. Yan. Pasok natin sa topic modeling. Ito yung expensive rich student. My God. I-print screen natin to. Print screen. Print screen. Punta tayo kay Paint. Para mabilisan, no? Crop natin. I-crop natin to. Crop. Save. Golden Canteen. 959. Save. Baba. Punta ka sa internet. Ipa-encode mo sa computer. Start over. Browse. Golden Canteen. Convert. Bilis nga eh. O yan. Tapos, high rent. High rent. Yan. I-ano lang natin. Edit natin dito. Oh my God. Ang hirap mag-rush. Yan. Ilang minutes na lang? 3 minutes. Lang. Copy nyo. Lagay nyo sa Bard. Utusan nyo ang ano? From the given rank below. Show thematic analysis for the reason why the university canteens food is very expensive. Yan. Natin. Tingnan, cooperative agreed. Owners of the co-op agreed. Parang may ano ito, team 1. High operating costs and profit expectations. Demand and supply dynamics. University influence and potential quality factors. And then, explain further or elaborate further and deeper. Try natin. Utusan nyo lang. Wow, certainly. High operating costs and profit expectations. Breakdown of costs. While, utilities and equipment. Tama nga naman. Profit margin analysis. Alternative revenue streams. Student preferences. Delivery options. Student-run initiative. Wala bang student-run na initiative dito? Yung nagbebenta ay student? Wala. Paano kung may ganun o magsimula ng ganun, no? Baka. Transparency and communication. Ito ang kailangan ng university. Does the university openly communicate its roles in setting costs? Yung pagsaset ng cost, kino-communicate ba ng university? Meron. Quality assurance, sustainable practices. Additionally, ito yung mga recommendations niya to improve it. Benchmarking, engagement, long-term solutions. So, that is how you do thematic analysis and coding. I hope you will make the computers your slave. So, again, please bear in mind those things. I am trying to make the process easier.